second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Sunday, February 12th, and I am on my way to the store. I've been in the bed all morning, y'all. My homegirl came to visit, and usually when she comes, and when I say my homegirl, I mean my cycle. Usually when she comes to visit, she doesn't stay that long, and it's not that bad. But yesterday I was in so much pain, and I just wanted to go to sleep. So, and I know I look rough, so don't judge me, okay? Whatever. Yeah, so my better half is cooking dinner, and I have been eating everything under the sun. I've been eating those popcorner chips. I have been eating cookies. I've had a pickle. I'm hoping he'll make me some chocolate chip cookies because I have a taste of chocolate chip cookies. And yeah, so he's making for dinner, I'm going to have some oxtails with some vegetables inside, sweet potatoes, white rice, and I'm on my way to go get some cornbread because I need cornbread with Sunday dinner. Okay. So yeah. So it's been raining, y'all. It's cold. It's misty outside. It's what are you doing? Can you go? All right. It's misty outside. It's sprinkling, which means it's probably gonna end up raining the rest of the day. I'm not going anywhere. This is the only place I'm going to the store to get some cornbread because I love cornbread. I love me some Jiffy cornbread. Okay, so I'm about to go get some cornbread right now and stuff. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And I wasn't gonna pick up the camera today, but I was like, let me just pick it up for a few minutes just to say, hey girl, hey, or if you're a guy and you're watching this, hey boy, hey. I gotta tell you guys what I'm side of my face. But anyway, I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, guys, so I'm back. Yeah, my face looks so funny. Like, I don't know. I think I'm breaking out. My skin look dry. So I use the Nivea. No, is it Nivea? No, I use Nair on my face, and I think it is something to my skin. Actually, my better half rubbed his face against my face, and he didn't shave, and it may have irritated me. So now I feel like a dry skin, a rash or something on the side of my face, and it hurt right here. I don't appreciate it. But anyway, I just stuff from out the store. I picked up my cornbread, my Jiffy cornbread. If you are a Jiffy fan and you love cornbread, if you know, honey, because I love me some cornbread, okay? And then, what else I picked up? A bottle of Pepsi, which I know I don't need it, but like I said, my homegirl came to visit. And I got some M&Ms. And so now I'm about to go back home so he can finish my food because your girl is hungry, okay? But I'll holler at you guys later. Good morning, everyone. I am here at Office Depot. Today is Wednesday. And I'm looking for some labels and stuff so I can finally get things rolling for my business that I'm doing, that I'm hoping that will be up in a couple months. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I have Chico here. He needs a haircut, y'all. I gave him a bath this morning, so he has attitude. But yeah, so I'm thinking that I need these labels right here. Those labels. Maybe these. I don't know if I too much care for these though. These are the oval labels that I want to get for like shampoos and stuff. I wonder if they have the hang tags, the long, hard hang tags. I don't know. I think I'm gonna let them do it. Office Depot, Office Depot do the same thing. These are some really big monitors. I like this one. $179. That's a 24-inch. I need to get a new laptop. I think I'm gonna get the I don't know. I think I'm gonna get a. I think I'm going to get either a HP or a Mac. I know I want to get an iPad soon. Hey everybody, today is Thursday. I am in the car. I just dropped off my daughter's car to the shop. I had to follow my cousin to drop the car off to get fixed. It needs I think the throttle body on it needs to be changed. So I had to follow him to drop the car off because I wasn't able to drive the car here. Something going on with the steering wheel, I guess. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm just here waiting for him to come out. And then I'm going to go home, get myself together, and I don't know, probably work on some more stuff for, some stuff I have going on. But I wanted to check in with you guys because I didn't pick up the camera yesterday. At least I don't think I did. I don't remember. But I don't think I picked up the camera yesterday and stuff. So it's finally, the weather is finally changing. Like, I'm so happy. Like, this cold weather gotta go. Gotta go. But anyway, my cousin's coming, so I will talk to you guys when I get home. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday. I have been in the bed all morning, and up until now, I just literally got out of bed to put some clothes on and to go, I don't know, grab something to eat. Made it to Publix. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm about to get a salad made. I didn't want anything. I was thinking about getting Jersey Mike's, but I decided not to get that. So I'm just gonna get me a salad, an entire salad. I love to get Publix salads because I feel like it's so much fresher. And of course I can do it at home, but I feel like if I buy the stuff to make the salad at home, I'm not gonna eat it. And it's so much better to just go get it from Publix. And this is honestly the only place that I eat salad from is Publix. Like, I don't go anywhere else. I may or may not eat it, like, if I go to a restaurant, but other than that, I come to Publix to get my salads made. So, I hope you guys had a great week. It's the weekend as of today, and I don't have anything planned for this weekend. I'm probably just gonna stay in the house. It's raining outside now. It's cold, and it was just hot yesterday. So, let me know what you guys got planned for this weekend. Or what you guys do on the weekends, or where you're from and stuff like that. What do you guys like to do? I'm a homebody. Sometimes I usually don't go out, and if I do, it's just to be like, okay, I'm gonna vlog today. But other than that, I don't do anything. But hopefully that'll change soon. So, but yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. On my salads, I normally get the Italian meat, which is like ham, salami, capicola, and then I get like onions, sometimes bell peppers, eggs, sometimes tomatoes, cucumbers, or vinegar, salt and pepper. And I already have dressing at home, but I love to put crackers and eggs. I don't know if I say eggs already, but anyway, crackers and eggs on my salad. So, and I get enough meat for like a full sub. Because, yeah. I'm hoping soon that I can start going back to the gym because I need to work out, and I feel like I've been stressing out lately or been overwhelmed lately because I have not been going to the gym. And usually when I don't go to the gym and I can't sleep or I get overwhelmed, it's because I haven't been going to the gym. So I don't know. But anyway, I'll check back in with you guys when I get to the house. What's up, everybody? Today is Saturday. About 3:24, and I'm just leaving the house. I don't know exactly where we're going. I just know that we just decided to just get out the house. I was supposed to went out with my cousin this morning. Well, today actually, but jeez, we didn't hook up yet, but I don't know if we're going to. She was talking about coming over later to get some fish, well, to eat some fish and have some drinks tonight. I don't really know if we're going to do that, but I hope you guys are having a great weekend and doing something fun, because I'm not doing anything much today. So I don't know. Anyway, I just want to check in and say what's up with you guys. Today's outfit, my blue Nike long sleeve shirt and my Nike leggings with my Huaraches Apple Watch. That's it. I don't have a black small bag like this, so I just have my Michael Kors bag. I know it doesn't match. Please do not judge me. Do not come for me. I just feel like I'm a female and I need to carry a purse. I don't have anything in here anyway except for my lip gloss, lip chapstick, hand sanitizer, and my wallet. That's all I got. And I need some to carry my phone in. So, yeah. But I just want to check in with you guys. I really didn't have nothing to say. I'm just checking in. But I will check in with you guys later. Okay, guys. So I am here at Mercedes dealership. Well, I'm here at the dealership. Looking around. And stuff, so I don't know. Being nosy.
I don't wanna rain on this parade, but I'm starting to question there was a name. I'm not looking for just an affair. Want a love that is based on the truth, not just dare. Not hurt my pride if right now you decide that you are
friend. She's on the phone. She called me this morning to see what I was doing. And so she was on me until today. So we're just hanging out for a couple hours. And then I'm gonna go and work on my website and stuff. So
We get the results on the
yeah.
22nd.
I don't know what she's trying to hide from my camera.
We get the results on the 22nd.
Anyway, I'm about to go to Target, get me some Starbucks, and hang out for a little while. And then I'm going to the house. So I'll get you guys back in a little bit. I don't have anything. It's kind of cool outside, but yet it's kind of warm at the same time. So I just have on my Star Wars shirt, my biker shorts, and my Star Wars socks, and my Patreciacs, and of course my Nike hat, because your girl loves Nike, and I like Nike hats. So, well, I like hats, if I should say. So yeah, just checking in. I'll check back in with you guys later. Hello, everybody. I am here at home working on my website. I am currently working on the descriptions for my lashes and watching YouTube as usual, because I don't really watch anything else, but that's what I'm watching, or listening to it rather. Well, I'm doing it. So, I just wanted to check in with you guys. This is what I've been doing for the past couple hours. I've been on Amazon, looking at products and stuff like that. So now I'm just trying to finish up my descriptions for my lashes and stuff, and hope that I'm able to finish that part today. As far as lashes, I already did. For my hair extensions, I'm just doing my lashes right now. So I want to get this done so I can move on with my life for today. So I just wanted to check in with you guys, and yeah. All right, let me get back to work.
Common example of a mixture.
I hope I make it out. I'm down.
Morning, everyone. Good morning. It's Friday. I look very, very plain today. I am. Oh gosh. I am in training at work today, and so I'm on break. Quick outfit check. All I have on is my Saint Laurent shirt today, my YSL shirt, my blue paper bag jeans, some, how do you pronounce these shoes? Espadrille loafers, and my Apple Watch. No lashes today, none whatsoever. No makeup, just chapstick, and my braids are back in my side ponytail. So yeah, y'all look, I done lost a nail. This looks terrible. I need to get my nails done. My feel is horrible. My cuticles are terrible. I want to take them off and get them redone over, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I do have a birthday party to go to on next weekend, and so I need to do something with my hair. I think I want to. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Actually, I need to redo some of my braids, so I may do that this weekend, just so they can be fresh. And then I don't know, maybe get my nails done. We'll see how that goes. I'm not really sure, but have a long day today. I get out at about 6:30 today and stuff, so I'm hoping I don't get copyright. I'm gonna say this every day until I stop recording where I am, but I hope I don't get copyright, because yeah, I wanted to pick up the camera and talk to you guys. I'm recording on my phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so I am recording on that phone. Hopefully, the umbrella's shaking. Hopefully I can get me a camera soon. I'm gonna say probably like next month. I'm maybe gonna get me a camera. If not, I'm probably just gonna purchase. I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest with you. I don't know. So yeah, I just want to check in with you guys and stuff and say what's up with you guys. Anyway, I will check back in with you guys later on my lunch. So what's up, everybody? I'm back. I am on lunch. I think I got about, like, I don't know, 40 minutes left, I think. I don't know. So for lunch, I had the strawberry banana smoothie, drink by Naked. I had a ham and cheese sandwich. It had a tomato in it, but I took it out. And I took out the lettuce because, I don't know, I wanted it hot, even though it wasn't hot. And I had some cookies. I don't know, maybe a bad combination, but that's what I had. So even though today is Friday, and this is sort of somewhat like I don't know, I think this vlog is pretty much long. I think today is the day I'm going to end the vlog and then start tomorrow as a weekend vlog. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do this weekend. I know I'm planning to go to the movies and probably just go out. I don't really know yet, but I am going to do a vlog, so we'll see what I got planned. I'm sorry, y'all, something on my teeth. But we'll see what I got planned tomorrow. I know I need to work on some stuff. I do have some things that I want to order. Like, I want to order some clothes. So I'm probably going to do a haul once I do that and I get those clothes in. I'm thinking maybe a Shein and a Fashion Nova. I do want to try Fashion Nova jeans because I never tried the jeans before, but I do want to try Fashion Nova jeans. I'm going to order some clothes from Shein, probably some clothes and some sandals and some other stuff, just because, as you can see, I'm out in the sun and the weather it's going to be hot. It's going to be summertime and I need summer clothes. I gave a lot of clothes to Goodwill. I have some more clothes that I'm going to take to, I think that's Salvation Army. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm probably going to order some sandals as well too. I do want to go get a feel through a man. I want to get a feel and get my nails done. And I want to do a pedicure. So I don't really know what I'm going to have planned. But I do plan to do some things and stuff. So yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys. And if I don't check back in with you guys later, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this vlog. And make sure you share this vlog with somebody else. I'm trying to get to at least 50 subscribers. And if I get to 50 subscribers, then I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but if you like, comment, and subscribe, and you are a new subscriber, make sure you put a purple heart down in the description bar as well too. Okay. And also, I keep forgetting to do this on my last vlog I did and the vlog before that, but I did reach some new subscribers. I do not know their names by the top of my head, but I will give them a shout out probably the next vlog after this one. So, but for the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys give me some feedback. Tell me what you want to see in these vlogs, because normally I just do like a weekend or weekly vlog. So tell me what you guys want to see. Like, I'm pretty much down to anything. I do want to do a mug, but I don't know what they call it, a mukbang. I don't know what it's called, where you pretty much sit and chat and eat a bunch of stuff. I don't know, but yeah, I do want to do that. I think that will be fun to do. So yeah, but anyway, just in case, again, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I don't know what I'm going to be doing later. Actually, I do know what I'm going to be doing later. I'm not going to end the vlog here. I'll end the vlog tonight, later on today. I do want to go somewhere today. I want to go to Ross and see what I can find. So I'll do like a little, if I find anything at Ross or anywhere else I go, and if I purchase something, then I'll show you guys what I got. So thank you. What's up, everybody? So today is Saturday. I am getting ready to go to the mall. I didn't pick back up the camera last night, but I did want to show you guys what I purchased last night. I went to Ross, and I also went to Marshall's, but I didn't get anything spectacular from Marshall's. I just got a tongue scraper and some body wash. That's all I got. So anyway, I purchased some jeans from Ross, some they were $15, and they're skinny jeans, just in case you don't see them. But hopefully you can see them. This is how they look. They're like skinny jeans. They are size 10. I picked these up last night actually. They fit really, really well. And then I also picked up some, what are these? Levi's jeans from Ross also. These were $14. These are kind of skinny jeans a little bit. I'm probably gonna roll them up just because I love to have my jeans cuffed. So I'm probably going to roll these up and wear like some loafers or some wedges with them. Let's see how they look when they cuffed. Yeah. So I cuffed them a little bit. And so this is how they look. These fit really well. These are a size 10 also. I'm probably gonna go back to get some more jeans. And then I picked up this button down. It's kind of like it's not tan. I want to say it's almost like a brown, but like a, I don't know what color is. Hopefully you can see it. I picked this up also to wear one of these jeans and to wear it something else. So I picked that up, and I picked up another one just like it. The shirt was actually $14. And I picked this one up as well too. This is kind of like a beige one. This one was $12. So yeah, I didn't really pick up anything. Oh, and I picked up a 2-set bra because I needed some bras. I picked up a black one and I picked up a beige one, and I think those were $13 also. And so that's really all I picked up. I'm a little disappointed, a little hurt, because the girl spent almost, well, I spent $73.78 to be exact. But that's what I picked up. I am going to wash these and then hang them up. But I just wanted to come back on and show you guys what I purchased last night from Ross, because I didn't pick up the camera when I came back. I did stop by Wingstop, and I had the lemon pepper wings with the fried corn. It's not my fave, but I was hungry and I needed to eat. So anyway, I just want to check in with you guys and say what's up. I am going to end the vlog here because I'm going to start another one. I hope you guys had a great week. I hope you guys have a safe weekend. And thank you so much for watching. Again, thank you so much to my new subscribers. I want to try to get up to at least 100, or yeah, I want to get to like 100, so that way I want to do a giveaway. So yeah, but I just want to check back in with you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my vlogs with somebody else, because I want to get up to 100, and so I can give a giveaway. I want to do a giveaway. And also, if you are a new subscriber, drop down a purple heart in the description bar. And also let me know what it is that you guys want to see. I do plan on doing a haul soon, as I mentioned, I think yesterday. So be on the lookout for that. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Peace.